Hi everyone, it's Joanne for the Hip Kit Club. Are you looking for a super fun, colorful layout that's easy to put together and comes out beautiful? Then here we go. Okay guys, I took several pieces of pattern paper and some cardstock from the Hip Kit Club's April kits. They are so pretty. I love them. The colors in the Hip Kits are just amazing. They're my favorites. So let's talk about this. Just a 3-inch piece of paper, and then I fussy cut a chevron out of one of the pattern papers, ripped this, super simple. And then this month's kits came with these fabric border strips, and it didn't go all the way across, so I just cut it, and my photo will cover that part. I might put another one of these in too. They're so pretty. I love it. Fabric. And they do have adhesive on the back of them, which makes it very simple to put down. And I think that I will put this maybe about here. Let's look. I have my photo backed with 3 of the pattern papers, and then I put adhesive foam on the back of it just to give it some dimension and shadow. I think that's good because I think I'm going to put a cluster of things right here, and then I'm going to extend the embellishments out to the side, so that'll be really pretty. All right, so what I'll do is get my T-square ruler down here like so I know I'm straight. I'll put some ATG on this, just a little bit on the top in case I need room to tuck or anything like that. Okay, and it's easier for me to do it this way, so I always turn my paper, and then I leave my T-square ruler where I think I wanted it, because that way I don't have to figure it out twice. And we'll just put this down as best we can. And this is Hero Hues, and this is Pool Party. I just think it is the prettiest color. Look how gorgeous it is over here. So I'm going to put some on my glass mat, and I'm going to take some with my blending brush, and I'm going to turn this paper, and I'm going to put some under here where I won't be able to see it in case I don't like it. But I'm thinking it's awful pretty. I am going to decorate now, and this kit came with the most beautiful florals. So I'm going to tuck something right in here, but making sure it does not come off the edge of the paper because I don't care for that. And then, of course, we have to add another one in here because it's so beautiful, and I'm tucking it right underneath the photo. And let me see, do I want this to come down a little bit more, I wonder? Then I have a bunch of stuff over to the side that I'm thinking about using. I just pick out things from kits and see what I think is pretty, and then whether or not I can use it. So I want to tuck that tag in there just because. So I think I'll cut that. Oh, couldn't find my scissors because they were right in front of me. So I'll tuck that right in there. This. Yeah, that's very pretty. And that tag is from the Pocket Life kit. This was a ticket from the Pocket Life card as well. I just think it would be really pretty to have some stuff peeking out from behind the photo. Grab my tweezers and put this in here. Oops, I got glue all over the place, didn't I? That's okay. Just wipe it up. It says, "This was so good," and it was, because I got to see my great niece She had a little Little League game, baseball, and then I took her out for ice cream, just the two of us, because the rest of the family had things to do. So she was like, nope, I don't want to go home. I'm going with Aunt Joanne. So that's what we did. A little bit too much glue on that, but it's okay. I can fix it. All right, let's get this tucked in here. This was so good. I just want to make sure it's straight and that I can also read it. And then I will put a foam strip underneath that off camera, just so it has something to stabilize it and make sure that it's nice and level. All right, I'm going to put this pretty blue flower here. And I like it that it's next to the yellow ice cream. It was cake batter ice cream. I don't know. I would never eat that, but she thought it was great. So this has more of this, and I just want it to be in here so I can read it. It'll help brace this flower a little bit. So if I put this right here, let me move this yet again. Leave a little mark on my photo, but that's okay because we're just going to cover it right up. All right, now I'm happy. Okay, these wood veneer pieces are very pretty. I love them. I'll put some glue on this and get this back in here just so I can read it. How about we do one more little thing? This is a circle. It says "so very special." I'm wondering where I should put it. I like it there. I'm going to save that foam square. Yeah, I do. I like it in the middle of that flower. So let's go ahead and do that. This is going to have some dimension to it for sure. That's okay. I like that. Picked out some flowers I thought were pretty. And there's some really cute tickets from one of the pattern papers. I fussy cut those. So let me see. What do I have here? This is a pretty frame. I like it because it's got this hot pink on the side here. Wondering if I can get this in here just for a little extra something. This one looks like it would fit in here nicely. Let's look. Yes, it does. So if I lean it on the frame here, put a foam square under here and tuck it in here, you guys, I love it. I do like this. It says "awesome sauce." I like saying that. I think it's funny. I'm just wondering if she looks at this in 10 years, because this is for her album, like she'll look at this and say, "What is awesome sauce?" But she might remember, oh, I moved this. Oh no. Put some more glue on that. Okay, stop touching that. Maybe this will look good down in this cluster. So if I put that there, I'm not going to want that flower there. Maybe I can tuck the flower and then put one of these in there. I like the blue and green leaves coming out. I also want to use these really cool tickets that were fussy cut from the pattern papers. I'm thinking about just sticking them right in here, maybe. Like this, but I want them underneath this. So let me try to carefully lift that back up and go ahead and tuck these. It's going to be a little tricky getting those in there where I want them and have them stay. And we're going to call that section almost done. However, I did have a wood veneer arrow that I just thought was absolutely adorable. So I'm thinking, let's use that. Does it look good right there? Well, we're going to use it, so hopefully it does. Okay, let's put a little glue on this. Let's see. Yep, that one's all. It's very warm here today. So I'm thinking the glue is going to need a couple extra seconds than normal to adhere. And I'm really liking it. So if you like that, you can stop here. I'm going to put a cluster down here and probably add little teeny details. So I like busy layouts. I sure do. And this says, "Remember, every day is an adventure," which is true. let me stick this beautiful floral in here. I don't know how I want it though, so let's think about that. How about there? Move it over just a little bit, like this. Then this will be a journaling, just to stamp the date, say that we went to her game, and that we got ice cream afterwards. So I'm trying to think now, it's up too high. I want it this, like this. And then I think I will put some twine in there. And then how about this blue flower? Because I think there's blue here, there's some blue here, a little bit of blue here. This writing is blue, so I definitely want to get just a touch more blue in. So maybe like that, and then put this in here. Look at these awesome chipboard pieces that came with the kits this month. I love it. I'm going to use this one. It says love this. It does have adhesive on the back. I'm trying to think about where I want to put this. I could put it here. That'd be cute. Also here. I don't know. Maybe we'll stick it right here and see if we like it. All right, I'm not going to glue that yet. I also was thinking about getting some of these in as enamel dots. Look at, you get hexagons, little flowers, arrows. So cute. Let's go ahead and use these. Oops. Oh, I don't want that. I want smaller ones, I think. Yes, quite beautiful. All right, let's do yellow. It's always good. Put some here like this. And then we'll do a pink one. Can never go wrong with pink, my friends. And then I don't like where that ended up with this yellow one, so I'm going to go underneath and move it. Right there. Let's see, where else can I put something? How about over here? Ooh, there's a blue one. Let's get some more blue. Oh, I just love blue. Yellow and pink. Do I want pink there? Maybe orange, because it's pink paper and I don't want it to blend in so much. And then we can put one down here too. We just have to figure out where we want it. We could try for here. Yeah, let's try for there. Okay, so we have this nice, let's use these right here. These are pretty colors. So let's put the pink first, because this circle journaling tag is orange, so we'll put the orange ones away from that. Oh, it stuck right to my finger. That there, like this. I did put some twine in that and just tied a little bow. And I think that's good. And then you guys, I can't even. Hip Kit Club 6x12 puffy sheets. Yes, please. Here's the ice. Here's the alphas. I'm going to say ice cream date. I think that is a cute title. I just want to figure out how to get that in there. Okay, my friends, this is now officially done, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked what you saw here today, please like and subscribe to the Hip Kit Club channel and my channel. That would be wonderful. And I will link all the products that I used in the description box below so you can get to everything super quick. If you're interested in the Hip Kit Club subscriptions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me and ask me any questions that you may have. And the Facebook group is listed below too, and you can ask questions in there, and Hip Kit Club or anybody on the design team will answer you. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by. Close-ups at the end. Have a good weekend. Bye.